Oh yeah, it's Davis. I wanna love, oh. Even if love is blind, I want to love, oh. Even if not scam, I don't tire for this love. Links, see as my heart they beat.
Hey friends, what's up? It's me, Elise. Happy Thanksgiving to you all. I hope you guys are all doing well. I am back with a new video and I'm so excited about this unit right here. So this wig does come from Luvme, and if you guys are interested, I will definitely have all of the details and links provided in the info section below. Without further ado, let's go ahead and just get straight into this video. So I have this brand new unit. This is the first of its kind, and it's called the MyOwn-Fit PartingMax Glueless Lace Wig. It does have the first ever 360 dual direction adjustable design, meaning that you can adjust this wig vertically as well as horizontally. You guys can see the inner construction of this cap. You do have the Invisa straps along the sides, which gives you a precise fit going vertically, and then you also have the C design ear tabs, which makes the unit comfortable to wear. Trust me, it really does help. You do have the removable comb in the back as well as the bra strap design, giving you a horizontal fit. I also went ahead and put in the elastic band just to kind of give me an even better precise fit. So this is definitely going to be a very universal fit, meaning that if your head shape ranges from a size small 19.5 inches all the way to an X large 24 inches, you can definitely be able to wear this wig comfortably. Y'all know I have a huge head, I have a whole lot of hair. This unit was definitely something that I was really interested in. Now again, I'll have all of the details located in the info section below if you guys want more information. Just to kind of give you guys some specs about my unit, this unit does come in this gorgeous body wave texture. Of course, I went ahead and I laid the edges per usual. It does have the 7x6 inch high definition 3D dome cap closure, and again, this is high definition. It'll melt in with all skin tones. You guys are going to see how this unit comes together. As usual, I really like to just kind of prepare my units to be worn by laying just the hairline, then I let it dry for a few hours. In my case, I let mine dry overnight, and this is what it looks like. It's ready to go. Sometimes I do like to pull out baby hairs. You guys will see me add like a little swoop later on, nothing too major, but yeah, this is what the lace is looking like. I do like to go in using my airbrush legs to temporarily tint my lace to where I can just get a flawless melt. I'm going to apply that all over just the front perimeter of the lace. Y'all can see how it blends in a whole lot better with my skin tone. Gonna throw on my stocking cap, get this wig on, and see what we're working with. So one of my favorite things about this unit is the C-shaped ear design. Y'all see how my ears are just fitting with this unit. I didn't have to cut the lace or nothing like that. It just fits so comfortably. Now this is where these little 360 Invisa straps come into play. You guys can see I can just go ahead and adjust it. It pulls the cap vertically, which gives me a fit going from my forehead to my nape, and I just go ahead and I tuck those in. And before I put the unit on, I did adjust the little bra strap opening in the very back of the unit, which gives me a horizontal going left to right custom fit. Now if you are a glueless girly and you don't prefer to use any adhesives or anything like that, this wig is definitely going to be the one for you, because you are getting a nice comfortable fit. So it's going to be up on your forehead nice and snug, but it's not too tight to where you're getting a headache. It is just comfortable. That's the best way that I can put it. But for me, I did choose to use a little bit of adhesive. I went in with my eBen lace spray and I applied my edge band to get this wig melted down. So then I applied a little bit of my wax stick, and then I followed up using my hot comb just to flatten everything on top to get everything to conform to my head shape. Then I'm going to just sort of spruce up the curls. I kind of want my curls to pop. Now this unit does come pre-styled, so if you're on the go, baby, just throw this wig on and go. But I am going to just freshen up the curls a little bit. Now with this unit, you do have the pre-cut lace. It does have the pre-plucked hairline as well as the bleach knot. So this is definitely a wear and go unit for my girlies who are in a rush. Now, like I said before, I did want to add one little swoop of baby hair. The lace does look a tiny bit light on my skin tone. It could just be my lighting since it's just so harsh because the sun's going down. But I just kind of wanted one little simple swoop going down the side. I'm now using a little bit of my powder foundation just to sort of tone down the lace just a little bit, just to kind of get it to melt better with my skin tone. Gonna apply a little bit of concealer in my parting space to kind of get that part to look like actual scalp. And we are finished. This is what this unit is looking like, y'all. It's giving me a business girly. It looks so professional on me, yet it's still really sexy. I really do love the look of this unit and just how natural it looks. I love the modest length, and it just hits right below my chest area, and I'm 5'9", pretty tall. Gonna show you guys all angles of this unit. You guys can just see how flowy and how bouncy these curls are. If you guys want more volume, definitely take a paddle brush and go to town on this unit. I initially did that, but then I kind of wanted my curls to last for a few days, because the more that you wear the unit, the more that the curls will drop and get nice and natural looking and fluffy. Because this is day one hair, I just kind of want to kind of keep it simple, keep it intact. And y'all, I am just absolutely loving this unit. Now with this wig, you do have so much lace, so you can definitely reposition the part in case you are a middle part girly. If you're a zigzag part girly, you can definitely reposition the part and you get so much parting space. It makes this unit look so natural. Y'all, I just went ahead and I tucked the hair behind my ears. It's so comfortable. You can put it behind your ears. You can wear it in a ponytail, up in a bun. I just decided to take one of my little clips and I pinned up the hair just to kind of give you guys another styling option. Still really cute. It's still effortless and it doesn't require too much time. I'm going to show you guys the very back on how natural it looks. It doesn't look like you are wearing a wig. You guys can see how flat it's sitting up against my hair, and nobody will know I have a ton of hair up underneath this unit because it looks so natural and how it lays. The styling options are endless. You can definitely straighten out this hair. You can definitely do smaller, tighter curls. You can bleach the hair. It's all up to you at the end of the day. You guys can just see how it just comes back together. Y'all, this hair is absolutely gorgeous. You guys definitely have to check out Luvme. Again, I will have all the details and links located in the info section below. Celebrate with Luvme hair during Black Friday. They do have their Black Friday sale going on right now with savings up to $120. Definitely take advantage of that and go and party with them. You know, check them out on Instagram. Let them know that you saw my video and y'all are interested in this unit. Again, you guys, let me know what you guys think about this wig. I am totally in love with it. Look at the integrity of the hair. Just the quality overall is just superb, and that is one thing that I love about Luvme hair. So y'all, definitely let me know what you guys think about this unit, and have a great Thanksgiving, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye guys.